back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a fun makeup tutorial using just 3 makeup products. I have this full face makeup on and I have used just 3 products, which is a foundation, a lipstick and an eyeliner. So I have used products from the brand NY, which is really very affordable. Now the people who don't like too much makeup, this is very light. The coverage of this foundation is not too much. It's buildable, but it's still like, light to medium, which is really very nice for a daily look. And all you have to do is, I'm going to show you that. Actually, let's go get into it. Alright, so the very first thing that I do is use the foundation by NY, and this is a stick foundation. Now it's it dries out to be matte. And let me tell you one thing with this foundation is that it doesn't give you full coverage, which is really nice. For everyday makeup, you just need a basic foundation which gives you like a light to medium kind of coverage. You don't want something which is really very heavy. So I really suggest this one for an everyday look, and this one just kind of evens out your skin tone. And I don't need a setting powder with this foundation because it just leaves the foundation, it's not powdery, but it gets matte. And for people with oily skin, they might need a setting powder, but I don't, because I have like a normal decombination kind of skin type. People with dry skin would want to use a moisturizer before using this foundation. And right after that, I have used the lip crayon, which is in the shade Bad Guy's Choice number 4. Now this one also is a matte lipstick and it is very smooth on application. There is no problem with the application. It's not like the dry matte lipsticks which get a little tough on application. You can apply this with ease, so the color is a little on the pinker side. It's like a mauvish, pinkish kind of color, and I use this as a blush. I use this as an eyeshadow, and I also used it as it is like a lipstick. So I had 3 different uses out of one product. And right after that, I went into doing my eyeliner, and I used their liquid eyeliner. Now this one is not waterproof, but it actually stays on. It kind of is water resistant because I tried washing my face and it didn't smudge, which was really good. So it's not waterproof, but it is water resistant up to a certain level, and it really gives a nice definition with the precision brush. And it is kind of black too, but not that very deep black, but it is black. So if you want a deeper black, you apply 2 coats of it and then you get a deep black. But all in all, this is my look using just 3 products, and I hope you guys like this video. I hope it was helpful to those who like basic makeup, very light stuff, and it is a normal everyday 2-minute makeup. I mean, like, how long did that even take? So this is something like just on the go. You have no time for makeup, you just want to do this while traveling and stuff. This is the best thing to do. Travel with these 3 products and you are sorted. So I hope you guys like this video. I'm going to see you in my next video with something more informative and fun, and I'll see you then. So until then, bye bye.